So today I'm gonna tell you what are the top five coins that you should consider to put in your portfolio. A lot of people have been asking me these days, hey Francisco, what do we do? Bitcoin is reaching 100,000. How do I take advantage of this bull run? So three things. Number one, we're in the biggest bull run ever seen. Why? Well, we have just overcome all-time highs. It doesn't matter whatever you're watching this video. The key thing is that the strategies that I'm gonna share with you will be very helpful. Here, I'm not gonna tell you this coin will 100x, this one is 1000x, because most people that do that they are lying to you. How do I know that? Well, I've been many years in this, and I just recommend just go back to one of the videos of those influencers and YouTubers and watch their recommendations and the entry point for those coins, and you will laugh. So, here is I'm gonna talk about these five coins that will give you a balanced portfolio for this bull run. So, number one, you should, of course, include Bitcoin. Why? Because we never know with Bitcoin. It was crazy after Trump won the election. It just grew like crazy. But it's always interesting to have it because it's the one that is driving the market. So, how far could Bitcoin go into this cycle? Well, it has surpassed 90K for the moment that I'm doing this video. Of course, it will reach 100K. That's without a doubt. But the key thing is when. And the most important is as soon as it reaches 100K, what could happen with Bitcoin and what should be your strategy. So if you're buying right now and if it goes to 100K, well, you will not make a lot of money. My recommendation, and as you can see here, the last 3 months, it's just going up and up and up, and it can just surpass the 100K. Just check either when it's reaching 100K or has just surpassed it by a little bit, and then it will drop. Why? Because it's natural. No matter if we're in a bull market, you can have moments that it just goes down 10, 20, or even 30% in one moment. So even if it reach 105,000 and you say, yeah, I need to buy it because Sailor has told me, it can just go down back to 80. So it's a better entry point than this moment that I'm doing this video. So everything that is lower than 85, it's a good entry point towards the bull run. And if you're investing in Bitcoin for the future, of course, remember always DCA, like put money every month on Bitcoin. So that's number one. Number two, Ethereum. Yes, I know it hasn't reached the all-time high compared to all previous times, and that's the interesting thing. Look how far it has been from the all-time high. But Ethereum is the best technology in the world. So it will take time, but it will reach back that all-time high and will probably go beyond 5,000 in this bull cycle. I know some people believe it's gonna be 10K, so put Ethereum. When is an entry point? I think under 3,000 is a good entry point for Ethereum. So now it's a good entry point. It can go a little bit lower, like 2,500. That's also a better entry point because expect when Bitcoin falls, well, everyone will follow. And then I will recommend to check Solana. Solana is one of the most beautiful coins specifically because of the technology. I have created projects on Ethereum, and I have to tell you, right now, developing in Solana is faster, cheaper, and the learning curve is much better. So that's the cool thing. And you can ask any developer. And of course, if they're maximalists, they will not lie to you. But in reality, it's amazing. So, of course, at this price, it's very high 210. Yes, Solana will be very interesting in the bull cycle because it could just go to 400 up to $500 in this cycle. I know some people believe it can go to $1,000. Well, that will be amazing. So that's the reason I recommend you, if you're watching this video, Just wait until it go down back into that point under 180. That will be a good entry point for Solana. Check this, check how it has evolved in the past months. And Solana has amazing technology, amazing community, and tremendous potential. Actually, I personally believe that Solana will grow faster in this cycle than Ethereum. That's what I believe. But always do your own research. And then what else you should add from all this big list of coins? Well, Sui is also a very interesting protocol. The price, well, 334. I will recommend you to get under 3. Like if you can get it under 3, that will be better. That will be a good entry point because it's the kind of, remember that the three ones that I told you are tier 1. Now we're thinking about tier 2. And then, which I think will be the biggest meme growth ever, and is Pepe. Why? Because just check. Pepe, it's a project that was born in this past cycle. So Dogecoin has come from the previous cycle, and this is under 10 billion in market cap. So right now, under 9 billion, well, expect it to crash. It will crash. It will go down in a market cap of 7 billion or less. So that's a good entry point because if Pepe does something similar to Dogecoin of the previous cycle, you can be seeing 3 to 5 times that. So that's the meme that I will recommend you to check. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your stuff. But the coins that I'm telling you today are very important because that gives you a balance, interesting balance on what you can do. So tier 1, tier 2, and then one meme. Because you cannot get out of the memes. Then I will do another video about memes. And then that's an interesting combination. I will do another video of other coins. Um, and another one that I like is Bitensor Tau. Why? Because it goes into the elements of artificial intelligence, specifically decentralized artificial intelligence. What about the price right now? Well, it hasn't reached the all-time high yet, where it reached 720. So just expect it a little bit go under 480. That's a good entry point for it. And my other bonus will be, yeah, that the others I will do it for other videos. So those are the ones that I think if you combine it in a very smart way, you can breathe because you will have the balance from the powerful Bitcoin and Ethereum for the newcomers of Solana, and then the greater possibilities of memes. Also, very important, please put a goal on when you're gonna take profit because remember who loses? The people who never take profit. Always remember the Dogecoin millionaire. Yes, remember him? He was a millionaire with Dogecoin, then he lost it all, and now he's recovering, but after many years. So if you just want to buy something and think that it's gonna keep going forever, well, be mindful. How long will this cycle last? Well, there's a calculation that will last even up to June 2025 or even longer, but you have to check the market and adjust your strategies. So let me know in the comments below what do you want to know if you want me to go a little bit deeper into the research of any of these coins. It's not financial advice. This is an interesting portfolio that will help you go through the bull without losing your money. Thank you very much. And subscribe, just subscribe. And leave me in the comments what else you want me to cover. Thank you very much.